Today on Let's Cook, we're trying a monthly treat subscription box by Treats.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Let's Cook, although we're not really cooking anything today. Today's one of those we try some interesting things. We can almost call it a Let's Try, but I don't want to have to make two shows, so Let's Cook, where we are trying stuff. What are we trying today, Jackie?
We are trying a whole slew of things, and this month's treat box features foods from Indonesia.
Thanks to Treats at trytreats.com for the free box of Indonesia treats.
If you want to get your own box, go to trytreats.com and enter in the coupon code RichAlvarez for 15% off your first box.
That's me! Wow, there are a lot of interesting things on the table for sure. I can't say that I've ever had treats from Indonesia before. We've had treats from Japan, from China, from the UK, and other places that I can't remember right now, but Indonesia, this is a new one.
I have not tried any of these things. I'm really eyeing these cheese crackers over here.
Yeah, I thought you might be interested in the cheese crackers, and I'm really glad they gave us 2 bags of the cheese crackers because, well, cheese. So just to be clear, this is a subscription box, treat box, so don't think that you're gonna get like Indonesian snacks every month. Every month, it's a different country with different snacks. Well, Jack, shall we get started into our Indonesian adventure?
Yes, please.
First up, we got iced tea candy by Bally's Best. Iced tea candy by Bally's Best are candies that taste like a glass of freshly brewed iced tea on a hot summer day. They provide instant refreshment any time of year. Each piece is individually wrapped. Let's check it out. Ding!
It tastes like iced tea. It's so weird.
Consistency-wise, it kind of feels like you have like a Werther's or like a caramel hard candy in your mouth, but it tastes like tea, so nothing like that. Next up, we have Wafer Bites by Dalsetto. Wafer Bites by Dalsetto are bite-sized chocolate-filled wafers made with all natural ingredients. They are crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside. For something different, put them in the freezer and enjoy them as a frozen treat. Well, we didn't do that, but we will enjoy them as they are out of the bag. Ding!
Oh yeah.
These look and taste almost identical to that Italian treat. I don't remember what they're called, but the sticks, you know?
I know exactly what you're talking
You know,
about.
like the sticks. The Italian sticks filled with chocolate. Next up we have Mandy's Chocolate Cookie Thins by Mandy. Mandy's Cookie Thins are cookie thins made from real cocoa. Rich in taste and crunchy in texture, these cookie thins are perfectly complemented with coffee, hot cocoa, or ice cream. I just love the redundancy in the description. Mandy's Cookie Chocolate Thins by Mandy, and then Mandy's Cookie Thins are cookie thins.
They're cookie thin.
I guess they're cookie thins. It tells me like 4 times.
How thin are they?
Pretty thin. Ding!
I like these more than I expected to.
So it kind of reminds me of like the cookie part of an Oreo, but a little bit different. It's lighter. Oreo cookies are like thick and crunchy. These, have a lot of air in them, so it's like actually easier to eat. It doesn't have the frosting, but it does have sugar on top. It was pretty good.
And they're only 70 calories for this little bag.
Whoa, for no one watching this for calories. All right, next up we have Seaweed Potato Chips by Taronet. Seaweed Potato Chips by Taronet are seaweed-flavored potato chips that come in the shape of a net. These chips are crunchy in texture, savory in taste, and addictingly delicious. Ding! That might be my favorite so far.
You like this?
Like, imagine like a single Chex in Chex Mix, but instead of like the Worcestershire sauce flavor, a little bit of a more seaweedy flavor.
I don't taste the seaweed. I taste like a salty flavor, but there's no seaweed flavor for me. No fishy taste. No fishy smell either.
All right, last but definitely not least, we have the Cheese Crackers by Gary. Cheese Crackers by Gary are sweet and savory crackers with a crunchy texture, and they come in individual packs, which makes them convenient to carry on the go. Thanks, Gary! Ding!
What an interesting thing.
Okay, so hear me out. You know those little Lunchables, the tiny little Lunchable things, which are just like crackers and the plasticky cheese with the little like rectangle red spoon thing that you put the plastic cheese on the cracker with? It tastes a lot like that, but take that and then add a little bit of sugar to it and you get something pretty close to this. I don't know, what do you think of it, Jackie?
It kind of reminds me more of a cheesecake cracker because of the sweetness and the little bit of a dairy hint of cheese flavor.
Okay, so that was a lot of fun, and I think that's the benefit of these boxes is that you really get a fun experience out of it. You're not gonna love everything in the box. I mean, I thought everything in the box was actually pretty good. The cheese thing, I was expecting more of a little cheese flavor than the sugary flavor, but it was still a good, interesting taste.
Yeah.
So I would say that this was overall a 10 out of 10 experience for me. How about you, Jackie?
Yeah, definitely. I love trying things at least once, and all of these things I could see if they were in like the grocery store here. I would see myself picking them up again.
Well, guys, that's it today for Let's Go. Don't forget to go to trytreats.com and enter code RichAlvarez to get 15% off your first box. That's it for us. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, guys.